How to set up Google Authenticator app on iPhone. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open App Store on your device and tap on search bar there and search for Google Authenticator. Now tap on the get button or the download icon for the download to begin. Once downloaded, tap on the open option and launch the app. You will first serve your required to sign yourself into Google Authenticator. So go ahead and enter your login credential, and once logged in, you will be left to the home screen of Google Authenticator. Now tap on the plus icon on the bottom right of your screen and you will see two options. Tap on enter a set of key option if you want to enter your set of key manually, and further enter the account name, set of key and select whether to code is time based or counter based. Now tap on the add button and with this your code will be generated, and if you want to scan a QR code and get the code, then tap on the scan a QR code option, and now use your iPhone camera, scan the QR code displayed on your other device or computer and generate the code. Once your code is generated, enter the code into the account setup screen to verify this setup. Once verified, the account will be secured with your Google Authenticator. So this is how you can set up Google Authenticator app on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.